If your car, your seat is not operating properly, it's not doing nothing, stick around. I have a solution. Hi, and welcome to the channel. I have this 2012 Camaro. The problem with this is the seat is not moving forward. The seat is staying in the back down position, and the switch is not operating. It's not reclining back. Sometimes the majority of these cars, the main problem is the switch that controls the seat. There's a switch in here that controls the movement of the seat. If you're facing this problem, start with the basic of checking on this switch. The switch is held by this cover right here. We have to remove this cover in order to gain access to the switch. The switch is held by two screws. One which is right here. This is one of the screws. And we have another screw back here. This is another screw that you have to remove. Let's remove these two screws and check the switch. Okay, we took the cover from the seat. Now we have to remove this part. This is the switch. We have to remove this by open these tabs right here and open the other side of the tabs too, so that way we just pull it out. It already came out. To disconnect the switch, we just push it from here and pull the switch. We push this here and pull the switch out. Now, in order to test the seat, we're gonna take this other switch from the operating seat and we're gonna swap it to the seat that is defective, and from there we're gonna find out if the switch is gone or is something else. Now let's remove this switch from the driver's seat and test it out on the passenger seat, which is the one that's not working. This is the switch we are gonna swap, which is the driver's seat. As you can see, this switch works perfect. We operate it back and forth, which the other one don't do that. And we're gonna transfer this switch to the defective seat. Like I say, you gain access to the switch by removing one screw right here, same procedure as the other one, and one screw here on the bottom. As you can see, this is the other screw you have to remove when you're trying to take the cover off. This screw is inside here. You just remove it, and we put the cover out. Let's put this cover out. Let's move the seat forward. We're gonna move the seat forward, and we're gonna push this cover off. It's a little tricky to get it off, but it's nothing complicated. As you can see, just push it out from here. Now we push it back here too, and it should come out. Now we slide this off too. As you can see, now it came off. Now we have to remove the same thing we did with the other one. We're going to remove this switch by opening these tabs here, and bring it up. If your switch had this tab right here, what you're gonna do is that you're going to push this. Hold on, I have to hold the camera, it's a little tricky. You're just gonna push this thing right here, push it down with a screwdriver, and then you're gonna slide this down. Push it with screwdriver, this little piece here, push it down, and this slide it out, and it will disconnect. As you can see, this is the switch from the driver's seat that we put it into the defective seat. Now we're gonna find out if this is really the problem that's causing the seat not to work. Let's operate the switch. Okay, the switch moves, works. Now let's try to bring the seat up, which that was the problem we had. We couldn't move the seat up. Now let's try to move it up. Oh, there it is. The seat is working. As you can see, the seat now works. Perfect. So now we found the problem, which was the seat, and the switch was defective, and we found the problem. Most of these problems, 95% I would say of these problems that happens on these Camaros is blame on the switch. This switch have contacts inside here that they burn out in time. They wear out, and they burn out for some reason, some probably short circuit or whatever it is the reason, but they tend to burn out. Whenever you have this type of problem on your car, always go with the easy and the basic, which is checking the seat switch, and then doing like I did, swapping switches to find out if the switch is working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you help me support and put more content. Don't forget to share the video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace, take care, I'll see you.